Hello there, my name is Galo Medina, and in this video we are going to see the steps I took to making my 2D 3D integration to live film project. First we're going to start off by opening the 3D file. As you can see here, we have various elements on the screen which were all modeled and first animated inside this 3D space. After having this whole animation done, as you can see here, we use this simple plane to simulate the 2D animation where it would take place, just to use a texture and apply it to that plane so that everything would mesh well. As for the part of the live footage, we took a recording from a camera, Canon 600D, filming at 29.97 frames per second, and then motion tracking it inside the same 3D software, as it could be observed here. The good thing about this is that you can do a lot of work, even compositing, on the same program without ever leaving it. As for the 2D animation, it was a very simple process of rendering out a preview of the 3D animated scene, focusing on the plane, and then continuing to import that as a guide or a background inside of the Flash program, and from there just taking into being able to see the registration points at which point the 2D element was actually interacting or touching the 3D element, and animating it step by step. So once the animation was done in Flash, we can see how it ended up right here. This is the animation that was used as a texture onto the plane. This way combining 2D animation and 3D animation, and then just using normal techniques of tracking and compositing a 3D rendered scene into live footage. I also used some more elements animated inside Flash, as were, for example, the hearts, which were also used as textures inside the 3D program. Okay, so to finish, I just took all the information done, which are my renders, my different backdrops and videos, sent it to an After Effects folder, composited everything, obtained my final video, and then just tweaked the music and sound inside the Premiere program. I also used Acid Express to do a little bit of music, and used some downloadable sound effects royalty free from flashkit.com, and that is actually all for this. The sound in my final video does need some work on it, and I'd have to address that because I really don't know how to construct music, but I think the final project is pretty good and I hope you enjoy it.